Basting is a really important part of quilting. It holds together our piece top, batting, and backing so that everything stays in place and we avoid puckering while quilting. First, we lay down our backing fabric right side down on a clean, flat surface. Our quilt backing is cut a few inches larger than our finished top, just in case things shift around while we are quilting. I want to make sure that my backing is smooth, and then I'm going to use the masking tape to tape the edges so that the fabric is taut but not stretched out. So I'm going to show you two different methods. The first is pin basting, and I'm going to use these curved safety pins. So I'm going to start in the center of my quilt and work my way out. And I want these pins to be fairly close together so that everything stays in place. Usually I use my hand as a marker for spacing my pins because you generally want them to be every 4 inches. Since this is a 12-inch block, I'm just going to pin in the center of each block. For spray basting, I'm going to start with my backing taped to my surface, and I also have paper laid around to protect my working area from overspray. So then I'm going to lay down my batting piece and fold half of it up, and then spray and fold and smooth that half down. And then I'm going to fold back my other half, spray, and smooth that out as well. Now I'm going to repeat these same steps to attach my quilt top.